Your dog has secrets you're not even aware of. Did you know, for example, that some dogs in Moscow ride the subway all by themselves? Or that your furry friend has an internal compass and aligns himself with Earth's magnetic field when doing his business? Sounds crazy, right? In this video, we'll show you 10 fascinating dog facts that'll leave you amazed. Stick around. Fact number 10 will blow your mind. Let's dive in. 1. Dogs have an internal compass. Your dog literally has a sixth sense. Scientists discovered that dogs prefer to align themselves along the north-south axis when doing their business. Imagine this. During your next walk, your dog might spin around until his internal compass is set. In a study with over 7,000 observations, unleashed dogs consistently position themselves along the north-south axis when urinating and defecating, especially when Earth's magnetic field is stable. So next time you're out walking, check which direction your dog chooses. There might be a little explorer inside your furry friend. Just like migratory birds or wild animals, dogs seem to sense Earth's magnetic fields. 2. Left or right pawed. Just like people are left or right-handed, dogs have a dominant paw. Ever noticed which paw your dog uses first when shaking hands or stepping forward? About 1/3 of dogs are right-pawed, another third left-pawed, and the remaining third have no clear preference. You can test it yourself. When your dog gets up from sitting, see which paw moves first. That's likely the dominant one. Interestingly, studies suggest left-pawed dogs might be more creative or spontaneous, while right-pawed dogs might be better suited as assistance dogs. Curious about your dog? Try it out and discover another side of your furry companion. 3. Unique nose prints. Your dog's nose print is as unique as your fingerprint. No two dogs share the same nose pattern. Take a closer look at your dog's nose. The moist grooves and patterns form a unique profile, much like human fingerprints. In fact, dogs can be identified by their nose prints, a method already used in some countries. Interestingly, unlike their paws, each dog's nose is entirely distinctive. Plus, that constant wetness isn't just cute. It helps dogs absorb scent particles better. More on their amazing noses next. 4. Super sniffers detect health issues. We all know dogs have great noses, but did you realize how incredibly powerful they really are? Dogs have up to 300 million scent receptors, compared to our mere 5 million, making their sense of smell roughly 10,000 times stronger than ours. This extraordinary sense allows them to detect diseases early. Specially trained dogs can sniff out cancer from breath or body odors, detect dangerously low blood sugar levels in diabetics, and even predict epileptic seizures. Imagine your dog alerting you to health issues before medical equipment can. It's remarkable. No wonder dogs are indispensable in police work, rescue operations, and even gourmet truffle hunts. 5. Dogs see the world differently. Many people think dogs only see in black and white. That's actually a myth. Dogs do see colors, but fewer than humans. Their eyes contain only 2 types of color receptors compared to humans' 3, making them partially colorblind. A vibrant red ball on green grass might appear beige-gray to your dog. Fascinating, right? But dogs excel at seeing in low light and have a wider visual field of around 240 degrees compared to our 180 degrees. Their eyes even contain a reflective layer, tapetum lucidum, helping them see better in darkness, which is why their eyes glow in headlights. Your dog sees much more around him than you probably realize. 6. Incredible and selective hearing. Have you wondered why your dog perks up at certain sounds but ignores others completely? Dogs have incredible hearing, picking up frequencies up to 50,000 hertz. This is over twice our hearing range. They can hear ultra-high-pitched sounds like dog whistles that we can't perceive. Interestingly, dogs can selectively filter sounds, ignoring irrelevant background noise but instantly responding to the faintest rustle of their treat bag. Dogs also have around 18 ear muscles, allowing them to independently move each ear to pinpoint exactly where sounds originate, making their hearing like advanced radar equipment. 7. Petting reduces stress. Ever notice how calming it is to pet your dog? That's scientifically proven stress relief. Petting a dog for just a few minutes lowers your blood pressure, heart rate, and stress hormone levels. When you cuddle your furry friend, your body releases oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, enhancing bonding and happiness. Regular walks with your dog also boost your cardiovascular health and strengthen your immune system. No wonder many companies now encourage dogs at work. A sleeping pup under the desk makes the whole office more relaxed. 8. The dog that doesn't bark. Believe it or not, there's actually a dog breed that doesn't bark. Meet the Basenji, an ancient breed from Central Africa known for its unique vocalization, similar to yodeling. Imagine your dog greeting you not with a bark, but with a playful melodic yodel. Basenjis communicate through this distinctive bark, a fascinating blend of howling and chuckling. Besides this, Basenjis only come into heat once a year, unlike most other breeds. Evidence suggests they were kept in ancient Egypt, making them a rare and intriguing breed today. 9. Genius dogs. Dogs are smarter than most people realize. Experts estimate the average dog's intelligence to be similar to a 2.5-year-old child. Typical family dogs can understand about 165 words and commands. Exceptional dogs like the Border Collie can even learn over 1,000 different words. Famous examples include Border Collie Rico, who could recognize over 200 toys by name, and Chaser, who mastered over 1,000 words. Dogs can also read human emotions, solve problems, and even perform logical reasoning. Next time your pup sorts toys, remember, you might be watching a furry genius at work. 10. Subway riding dogs. Here's the promised mind-blowing fact. In Moscow, stray dogs have taught themselves to ride the subway. Picture this. Rush hour in the Moscow metro, doors open, and a dog casually hops in among commuters. These clever street dogs commute daily to areas with more abundant food sources. They've learned to identify their stops by announcements, smells, and travel time, hopping off exactly where needed. Locals admire, feed, and protect these remarkable commuting dogs, showcasing dogs' adaptability and intelligence in urban survival. These 10 amazing facts illustrate just how incredible dogs are, with senses, abilities, and adaptability beyond our wildest imagination. Dogs constantly surprise us, enriching our lives in countless ways. If you enjoyed these dog facts, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Hundeo, and click the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and give your dog a hug today. They've earned it.